Best Top 5 Best Kitchens Slow Cooker Number 1. As a product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to review the Reynolds Kitchens Slow Cooker Liners. This product is a convenient and time-saving solution for individuals who frequently use slow cookers in their cooking routine. The clear plastic liners are designed to fit 8-quart slow cookers with an oval or round shape, measuring 3 inches in diameter, 8 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height. The package weighs 6.4 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The clear color and solid pattern of the liners make them suitable for various kitchen settings, and the material's quality ensures durability during the cooking process. While the product is not dishwasher safe, its easy disposability after use minimizes cleanup time and effort, enhancing the overall cooking experience. One notable aspect of the Reynolds Kitchens slow cooker liners is its compatibility with
Number 2. The Reynolds Kitchens. Slow cooker liners have become an essential tool for anyone who enjoys using a slow cooker. These liners offer a convenient solution to the hassle of cleaning up after cooking, allowing users to simply lift out the liner and dispose of it, leaving the slow cooker clean with no scrubbing required. The product's dimensions of 8.2 into 3.2 into 3.1 inches and lightweight 5.61 ounces make it easy to handle and store. Its availability since October 1, 2017, with no discontinuation, reinforces its consistent performance and demand among consumers. The Reynolds Kitchens slow cooker liners boast impressive customer satisfaction, garnering a notable 4.8 out of 5 stars from a substantial 18,739 ratings. This positive feedback indicates that the product has met and exceeded the expectations of a wide range of users. Importantly, the product's origin from the USA ensures high-quality standards and complies with manufacturing regulations.
Number 3. The Reynolds Kitchens slow cooker liners are a game-changer for anyone who enjoys using a slow cooker, but despises the cleanup that comes afterward. These BPA-free liners are designed to fit most 3 to 8-quart round or oval slow cookers, ensuring a seamless cooking experience and easy cleanup. With their heat-resistant feature, these liners can withstand high temperatures without compromising their integrity, making them safe for cooking various meals. Measuring 13 into 21 inches, they are spacious enough to accommodate different pot sizes and shapes, providing a versatile solution for busy individuals and families. The convenience that the Reynolds slow cooker liners offer cannot be overstated. Not only do they eliminate the need for scrubbing and soaking, but they also help preserve the slow cooker by preventing stubborn, cooked-on messes. This makes them a must-have for anyone who wants to spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying delicious, home-cooked meals.
Number 4. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I would like to share a professional review of the Reynolds Kitchens pop-up parchment paper sheets. Reynolds has once again proven its commitment to quality and convenience with the pop-up parchment paper sheets. Designed for easy use, these pre-cut sheets are a game-changer for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. The dimensions of 10.7 into 13.6 inches provide ample coverage for standard baking sheets, making meal preparation a breeze. The material quality of this product is top-notch, and its non-stick surface ensures that food items release easily without any residue. This feature greatly simplifies the cleaning process, which is always a plus for busy kitchens. The package contains 30 sheets, which is a generous quantity that offers great value for the price. Users will appreciate the convenience of the pop-up dispenser, which makes it easy to grab a sheet whenever.
Number 5. Reynolds Turkey Oven Bags. As an avid home cook, I have always been wary of cooking large poultry such as turkey due to the potential mess and the uncertainty of achieving the desired tenderness and juiciness. However, my recent experience using Reynolds Turkey Oven Bags has been truly transformative. The product's material, a durable and heat-resistant plastic, instilled confidence from the outset. With a generous capacity of 24 pounds and ample product dimensions of 23.5 W into 19 H, it accommodated my sizable turkey with ease. The drawstring closure type was convenient and secure, ensuring that the contents remained intact throughout the cooking process. One of the most appealing features of these oven bags is their exceptional versatility. Not only did they excel in retaining the natural juices of the turkey, resulting in succulent and flavorful meat, but they also proved to be an excellent solution for food storage.